Great job. Wow.
Yeah.
Pillbox, Senior Crossing, AERP.
Hey, no, just wait, buddy.
Well,
Speech.
I got no words. This is just taking it out.
Why do you think you wrote your card?
Me and Janice, we're right in the same boat.
Read some of them.
Okay, we so appreciate you and all you do for us. You have a great spirit. You're not a negative vampire. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. Thanks for sharing your birthday with the Energy Bus staff. That's from Becky Lee. P.S. I bought the card and gifts. Okay. P.S. Okay, this is a good one. This is a good one. Congratulations, you're halfway to 80. Okay. That's Tim and Kathy.
That's a good point.
Be blessed, my brother. That's David. Just think, in 10 years, you can join SALT. They got that going. Dale wrote that. Yeah. We love you. We love you. Happy birthday. Thank you, guys. What a way to celebrate.
Now you get your gifts. You got your gifts too.
I don't know if I can handle it anymore. we have really done it. Chocolate. Okay, this is so I don't forget my pills. Okay. Pepto, I take this on a daily basis already, so I get that. Reading glasses. I really do need these already, so I get that. I'm not here yet, though. I'm going to tell you that. I'm not there yet.
Hologram.
Nighttime sleep aid.
I'll give that to your dad.
I can actually use that tonight. Yeah, thank you.
Take your thumb out.
Well, guys, I got,
You're set.
I'm really
Happy birthday.
I feel like with this and you guys around me, I'm ready. And so, yeah.